Question number one, first one. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 50 for first kilometer. The fare is rupees, the fare for first kilometer, that is equal to rupees 50, and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. The fare for each additional kilometer, each additional kilometer, that is equal to rupees 8. So first kilometer fare is rupees 15, that means first term is equal to rupees 50. First term A is equal to rupees 50. And then after the fare for each additional kilometer, fare for each additional kilometer is rupees 8. Each additional kilometer, that is equal to D is equal to rupees 8. Okay. The next kilometer fare is rupees 8. Next kilometer. Therefore, for 2 kilometer, fare for 2 kilometer, fare for 2 kilometers is equal to rupees 15 plus rupees 8. Rupees 15 plus rupees 8, therefore rupees 23. Okay, each additional kilometer is that is equal to rupees 8. Okay, so fare for 2 kilometers, the rupees 15 plus rupees 8, that is equal to rupees 23. Fare for 3 kilometers, that is equal to fare for 2 kilometers plus each additional kilometer. Each additional kilometer 23 plus 8, and that is equal to rupees 31. Fare for 4 kilometer, fare for 4 kilometer, that is equal to rupees 31 plus rupees 8, that is equal to rupees 39. Therefore, the common difference D, that is D is equal to second kilometer minus first kilometer. So second term minus first term. Second term is 23 and first term is equal to 50. First term is 50. That is equal to rupees 23 minus rupees 50. That is equal to rupees 8. And similarly for the common difference, D is equal to A3 minus A2, third term minus second term, 31 minus 23, and that is equal to rupees 8. So here common difference is 8. Therefore, D is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1, and that is equal to 8. Therefore, the given sequence is in AP. Therefore, the given sequence is in AP. Because common difference are same. Common difference D is same. Common difference D is same. Therefore, the given AP is 15, second term is 23, third term is 31, and fourth term is 39 dash dash dash. Okay. So suppose let the amount of air present in a cylinder is 32 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर वॉल्यूम है। ओके, तो let the amount of the air present in a cylinder is 32. Okay, and a vacuum pump removes, and a vacuum pump removes, vacuum pump remove 1/4 air, 1/4 of air remains in the cylinder. 1/4 of air remains in a cylinder. In a cylinder at a time. In a cylinder at a time. That means 1/4 part. Therefore, that is equal to 1/4 part of the 32. 1/4 part of 32. Okay, वो रिमूव हो जाएगी. That means 1/4 multiply 32. Of means multiply. And 8 4 are 32. So how many 8 centimeter cube air removes in a cylinder? Therefore, the air remaining in the cylinder, the air remain in a cylinder that is equal to 32 minus 8. That is equal to 24 centimeter cube. बोलो इतना क्लियर हुआ? Yes or no? 32 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर एयर है सिलेंडर में. 1/4 part air remove if you remove in a cylinder. Okay, vacuum pump is removed, then 1/4 part of air remove in a cylinder. Therefore, 1/4 of 32, that is equal to 1/4 multiply 32, that is equal to 8 centimeter cube air removed. Therefore, remains air, the air remaining in a cylinder, that is equal to 32 minus 8, that is 24. Of second time, again vacuum pump remove, again vacuum pump remove 1/4 air, 1/4 of air, that is equal to 1/4 air remove 1/4 of air, that is equal to total air कितना है? Remaining air in the vacuum in a cylinder, that is equal to 24. So 1/4 of 24, that is equal to 1/4 multiply 24, that is equal to 6 centimeter cube air remove. पहले कितनी एयर रिमूव हुई? जो भी पार्ट था उसका 1/4 पार्ट, दैट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब एयर रिमूव. सेकंड टाइम में जितनी एयर अंदर है उसका 1/4 पार्ट मीन्स 6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब एयर रिमूव. Therefore, the air remaining in a cylinder, air remaining in the cylinder is 24 में से 6 चला गया, that is 24 minus 6, that is equal to 18 centimeter air present in a cylinder. Okay, so here the common difference D, that is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 is equal to 24 and A1 is equal to 32, that is equal to -8. Common difference is -8. And another A3 minus A2. A3 is equal to 18 and A2 is equal to 24. 18 minus 24, that is equal to -6. Therefore, the common difference are not same. D is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1 are not same. Therefore, the given sequence is not in AP. given sequence is not in AP. ये AP में कभी भी नहीं हो सकता. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए तो समझ लेना that sequence is not in AP. Question number 3. Question 1/3. The cost of digging a well. The cost of digging a well every meter for first kilometer that is equal to rupees 150, and for rise by the rupees 50 for each subsequent kilometer. The cost of digging a well.
सर मीटर दिया है
For first meter. Okay. Well, the cost of digging a well for each subsequent meter that is equal to rupees 50. That is equal to rupees 50. Therefore, the cost of 2 kilometer, the cost of digging a well for 2 kilometer, 2 meter, that is equal to rupees 150 plus rupees 50. Okay, the cost of digging a well for 2 meters, that is equal to rupees 150 plus 50, that is equal to rupees 200. Okay, the cost of digging a well for 3 meter, that is equal to rupees 200 plus rupees 50, that is equal to rupees 250. Okay, the cost of digging a well for 4 meter, that is rupees 250 plus rupees 50, and that is equal to rupees 300. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to second term, difference between two consecutive terms, second term minus first term. Second term is 200 minus rupees 150, that is equal to rupees 50. Okay, D is equal to A3 minus A2 is rupees 300 minus rupees 250 minus rupees 200, that is equal to rupees 50, and D is equal to A4 minus A3, that is equal to rupees 300 minus rupees 250, that is equal to rupees 50. So here common difference is same. Here D is same. Therefore, the given sequence is AP. Given sequence is in AP. Okay. Given sequence is in AP. Bole, any doubt? The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at the 8% per annum. Here, principal value P is equal to rupees 10,000 and rate of interest R is equal to 8%. What is the formula to find a compound interest? Compound interest A, that is a compound interest CI, that is equal to formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. and n is equal to number of years. Okay, for first year, the amount that is equal to A is equal to P is equal to 1 P into 1 plus 8 by 100 raised to power 1. For the second year, A is equal to P into 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to power 2. And 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to power 1, 8 by 100, that is equal to P. And P is equal to here value 10,000 rupees. 1 plus 8 by 100, that means 0.08 raised to power 1. And the value is 10,000 multiply 1.08. Multiply 1.08. Okay, and in the second situation for second year, P is equal to 10,000. 1 plus 0.08 raised to 2 and 10,000 into 1.08 raised to 2. Similarly for third year, amount A is equal to P into 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 2. P is equal to 10,000. 1 plus 0.08 raised to 3, and that value is 10,000. 1.08 raised to power 3. So find a difference. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1. A1 is equal to 10,000 into 1.08. Second term 10,000. 1.08 square minus 10,000. 1.08 and 10,000 common and 1.08 one times common. It is 1.08 minus 1 and that value is 10,000 into 1.08 into 0.08. Okay, that is the common difference between first two terms. Similarly for D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is equal to 10,000, 1.08 raised to power 3, that is A3, and that is A2. 10,000, 1.08 raised to 2. So here 10,000 common and 1.08 square is common. 10,000 multiply 1.08 square common and 1.08 minus 1. And that the common difference is 10,000. 1.08 square multiply 0.08. Here 1.08 one time and here 1.08 two times. Both common difference are not same. Okay, therefore D is equal to A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. So common difference have not same. Therefore the given sequence is not in AP. The given sequence is not in AP. Okay, because common difference are not same. Because the common difference are not same.